Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install, where to find this app. This app allows you to add, subtract, multiply yards, feet, inches. So at the bottom of my video, you're going to see this link that you can copy and paste and go directly to the Microsoft Store. So the first thing you want to do is click on install. You'll get this dialog box and just click open Microsoft Store. The next button that you're going to hit is install. You'll see this thing spin in here. So now it's actually downloading. You'll see when it finishes downloading. This little thing will go all the way to the end. Once it's complete, you'll get this dialog box, and at this point you can hit open, and there is your calculator. Hey guys, one quick thing about installing and adding apps to your computer: always make sure that you have all your apps closed before you do this. I even close all my windows, except when I'm giving instructions. Then I have to have a bunch of windows open so that I can record certain things. But try to close everything you have on your computer before installing. So if you did not hit open on the last dialog box and you go to your desktop, you're not going to see it. It doesn't give you a shortcut for that application. So if you go to your apps by going into your window here, you might not see it here. Okay, so let's see if I see it here. I'm just going through it real fast. I don't see it. Now, you know, if you click here, then you might see it here. So let me see. There it is right there. But let's say that you can't find it. You might have more apps than I do. All you have to do, regardless if you're here or here, okay, if you type construction, and then you don't even have to type calculator, but you might have some apps that show up before that, so you might want to hit space CALC, and then you'll see that icon. At this point, what you can do is you can so let me unpin it from a test bar, because right now it's pinned because I had it earlier. So let me go here. Let's go back. Hopefully it unpinned it. So let's put construction, and here it is right here. So if I click on it, it'll open up. But what I want to do at this point, I want to pin it. So let's go. So while it's selected, you can click here and pin to taskbar. So once you do that, now I have a bunch of applications here. So you know, I'd have to click here, and then I would see it in down here. Okay. So oh, excuse me, there it is right here. All right, so at the bottom of my video, you're gonna see a link. This is the link to go straight into Microsoft and to find that calculator. Also, you're gonna see another link here. On this link, you can download this PDF that I created for y'all, and it gives you the instructions. It's color coded just like the app itself. That app It's it uses a bunch of different colors for different functions, and on that PDF I explain what each one of those buttons do. So you'll be able to download this PDF. It explains every key. All right, guys. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. There's also another video, guys, that will show you how to use this calculator. Again, thank you for watching my video.